Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for me to tell you what this month's Stamp and Die Hard Club set is. Now, let me just tell you, this one is going to be a loud one. That's silly. Okay, whatever. Anyway, moving on. Now, I want to show you, it is called dun, 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 Fun Firecrackers. I had so much fun designing this one, you guys. Let me just tell you, it was just awesome. So here we have 2 firecrackers plus 2 little ones, red, white, and blue. Let's celebrate Happy 4th. We have lots of a little circle thing, some stars, 2 fireworks, and the add-on sets, you guys, coordinate with this so well. You're going to say, oh my gosh, they are must-haves, let me tell you. Now, those of you that might not be in the United States, rest assured, I know you have friends in the United States you can send this to. Also, fireworks are all the time. Celebrate. I mean, when somebody graduates, when somebody has a job promotion or a new job or a new house, fireworks are for all the time, right? They're not just 4th of July. Now, okay, so this is what my Stamp Club members get. Stamp Club members get a brand new stamp set sent in the mail to them automatically each month for $13.99 a month. I know, and it's a photopolymer set. It's awesome. Now, a lot of you are like me, and you're saying, Stephanie, that's great, but there's no way in the world I'm going to get out my scissors and try to cut those out. Of course not. We have a die for that. Seriously, we do. We have a club for that also. So we have the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, look at all of these. We give you the inside dies and the outside dies, so you can cut on the stamped image or a shadow. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus a couple little extras, so in case you lose one. 16 dies to go with this stamp set. And I need you to see the add-ons for this collection because they go so well together, it'll blow your mind. No pun intended. Okay, you also get a handy dandy postcard that shows you some ideas, but rest assured, my loves, there are so many more ideas on our website. Let's jump in and look at some samples. So here's a fun one. Now there's a couple sneak peeks for the collection on here, but look how fun it is to make your own background paper. Isn't that awesome? I love that. America, Happy 4th. Look at those fireworks, so fun. Here's another sneak peek for something else that's coming. Red, white, and blue. Look at those fireworks. They're just like bursting with joy. Here's another one. Making your own background paper. How fun is that, right? Look at that. Happy 4th. Look at those fun fireworks. Have an inside in there. Or on Slimline. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? All those fun fireworks. So fun. Now, I have a billion more samples to show you using this stamp set and the extra items in the collection. But I'm going to make you wait till the next video because they're so awesome. I can't wait to show them to you. Now, if you are not in our Stamp or Die Hard Club, or maybe you're new to Stamps of Life and you're like, I don't know if I'm really ready to take the commitment of 3 months. It's only 3 months, but I don't know if I'm ready to take the commitment. What I recommend you do is join just the Stamp Club. It's $13.99 a month. I think that's what, like 1 or 2 coffees a month. And you could get a stamp set that's photopolymer, which is pretty awesome. Now, you not only get the stamp set for $13.99, you get a 15% discount off of my entire website. Every single item, every single order, every single day, as long as you're a club member. 15% off. It's like a sale every day, right? I mean, really. Now, not only do you get a 15% discount, you also, when we have a flash sale, you also get your club discount on top of that. You also earn club points with every shipment. And if you stay in a full year, on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website as a thank you gift. Now, every couple months, we also send out freebies because we just like to spoil you. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Again, don't forget, the club commitment's only 3 months. But you know what? I have a feeling you're going to want to stick around for a long, long time. And again, don't forget, we also have the Die Hard Club, same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.